Hey, you want to know what? Over the last couple of years, we spent a lot of time getting to know about hormones and really teaching you the latest on why hormones are essential for your health, wellness, and overall vitality. This year, we're going to take it to another level. I want you to join us for a very interesting roundtable discussion among 4 experts in this field. We're going to bring you the latest of information, and we're going to give you a chance to ask your questions about hormones so that you can completely understand what's going on in the hormone world and how they are essential for your health and wellness. So all you've got to do is show up on December 17th. Just click the link and sign up and show up. You'll be able to ask all the questions that you want of our expert panel. I'll be there. My new associate Joan Keel will be there. Dr. Eric Fett and Dr. Terry Denai. And we'll answer all of your questions. We'll update you on the latest of information, and we hope to see you there.